Hello everyone, today let's crochet a Christmas stocking together. We'll be using bright red and festive green, 4-ply cotton yarn, and a 2mm crochet hook. Start the first round with the magic ring. Crochet 15 double crochets. Start with 2 chains to act as a turning chain. It doesn't count as a stitch. Yarn over and make a double crochet. Pull the yarn through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Continue with 14 more double crochets. After finishing 15 more double crochets, tighten the ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Make 1 turning chain. Each round ends with a slip stitch and a turning chain. This won't be repeated again in future rounds. Round 2, crochet 15 single crochets. This is stitch 15. We'll change to red yarn next round. Slip stitch to finish the round. Make a turning chain. Now round 3. Crochet 4 single crochets, then 1 increase. Repeat this pattern for 3 sets. Now do the increase. Keep the green yarn, don't cut it. We'll use it again later. Tuck in the 2 short yarn ends as you crochet, then cut them off. Round 3 is done. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Make a turning chain and continue. Round 4 to 12. Single crochet without increases or decreases, 18 stitches per round. Just repeat the single crochets, slip stitch to close each round, then chain 1 to begin the next. Continue until the end of round 12. We'll change the green yarn here. Bring in the green yarn, change color, then slip stitch to close. Start round 13, 1 single crochet. Then 1/2 double crochet, followed by 2 double crochets. And 1 increase in double crochet, then 2 more double crochets. One half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Round 13 is done. Round 14, make a turning chain and flip the pleats for flat crocheting. Start with 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, and 2 double crochets. Do a double crochet decrease, 2 double crochets together, then 2 double crochets. 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Since we're switching to red yarn, change color in the last stitch. Make a turning chain, flip the piece, and crochet 9 single crochets. After completing 9 single crochets, connect at the bottom and crochet 9 more, a total of 18 for the round. Finish the last stitch and slip stitch into the first stitch. This is where we flipped earlier. Chain 1. Now we're working the sock cuff, round 16 to 20, 5 rounds. You can do more if you like it taller. Round 20 done. For round 21, change to white yarn in the last stitch. One round of single crochet in white. Round 22, work 18 single crochets in the back loops only. Round 23 to 25, regular single crochets through both loops, 18 stitches per round. Finish up, weave in the yarn end, fold down the cuff edge, and the stocking is done.